Hello and welcome back. Today I want to show you guys how to do those leaves that kind of wrinkle up on each other. So we'll start off with something like this. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, something like that. It doesn't have to be perfect at all. This is just for some demonstration purposes on the technique of the shading. And then we can do it. We add a little ring here to kind of create a separation between this one and this one. And we can do the same thing here. And then we do a shading line like so, all the way back to the beginning. And same one on the other side of this little hole that we made. Little separation, but we kind of make these two lines kind of become one line over here. So then do the same thing here, and if I can do it without turning the paper around, we kind of do the same thing here, like so. And then we can go ahead and I guess kind of shade these in a little bit. And the way I do it is, since this part is raised, it's gonna be shaded inwards towards it, like so. Begin here, out here, then end as part of the bigger one, like so. Same thing on this one. And we're gonna redo this top line here. I always do it after the shading, because the shading kind of gives me an idea of the flow that this leaf will have. And as we can see, this top line here is way too it's too high. It doesn't really go with the flow. Something better would be something like this, right? Like that. So we're gonna change that right now. There we go. Now we just continue shading here to the best of our ability. Something like that. You know, you can add these little things too. And then I like making these, the folds, the edges of the fold, to be a little bit thicker than the rest of the shading, to make them a little bit darker. And then we can add our little like that. Make these dark like so. And you can do this however many times you want. You can do it here too. Through some like that. that gives it the illusion that it's folded. It's very, very rough sketched right now, but I hope you get an idea. Like, for example, if we have this leaf, like so, we can add one here, creates the separation. Then we add this fold. See? Just like that. And that's another cool way that you can shade your big leaves. Thanks for watching.